Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV. So now this particular story, I was waiting for a confirmation from the EC and Sana. Now the EC have come out to debunk this story. Now I'll tell you the story from where I heard it, and then maybe a story no aqua could do. If and there your first time or have subscribe and now click the notification bell no, and no any down screen so see we are the latest news we about one sa ebeka. And there ahomache me sorry ya no and me call Twitter na me hu say abrantie bi wo trotro wo ho obobo nkrofo din na wa tro we attest positive for coronavirus we attest say nkrofo wo bo mudin dey say wani impanyifo bebre wo bo agric minister din agric minister tested positive we na okokan say eye easy ba wan boje mensa din wo si easy penyipa bi e wo easy ho ono so tested positive for coronavirus me ti asem na me say da bi asem we dey e bo say me ye nhwehwemu now ahomachi na me hu sa branch na trust ade no me ye say me ye nhwehwemu na wo bia en report here so I couldn't report on the story and that say 4 hours after branch na trust ansem no say nkrofo e carry asem no e dey ko social media na ama easy aba bonten e betro say what say ye can say jinmensa wa test positive for coronavirus a entro na sa asem no muntungu. Let me read the statement from EC ankasa eno na eda wenim no. Now let's go through the statement. Na yenia ye hu ne say yes asem a wo mo e kan it was it for immediate release, and this shows you say it is serious for the EC to release, because in some baby we want to focus on EC in fee, and so for the EC to release an immediate presser on this particular issue, it tells you say yes, very serious. Was it for immediate release, which is dated 9th July 2020, which is today. Was it disregard the lies? EC chair has not tested positive for COVID-19. And Trona and Crawford can was a monfan to baby. Men jindi. Na EC chairman no wonya corona bia. Now let's go into the main immediate release. Now say our attention has been drawn to a malicious story circulating on a news portal which calls itself hardtruthgh.com, claiming that the chairperson of the Electoral Commission, Ms. Jane Mensah, has contracted the COVID-19 coronavirus. Now, a website be NHS website no what you mudia Hard Truth GH. Now there's a mode my imagine say nekre ankrofun to min kano eno na wo mo ebeka. Intia no mo afa say di na to mo so Hard Truth GH. Inti ECH in the very first paragraph ne say won so we read this article ni bia hu ne say eyentro EC boss no Jane Mensah onya coronavirus bia eyentro en ankrofun ni twa. I say the commission wishes to state categorically that this is an outright lie and a figment of the artist's warped imagination. Well, see, the commission wishes to state that the chairperson of the Electoral Commission is well and at post. She has not tested positive for the coronavirus. We are therefore calling on the general public to disregard the lies and fabrications and treat the story with the contempt it deserves. Well, say the desires of her detractors will never succeed. Asema wo mode kan hono no. Say ensem ni na de eyentro yisi no woguso a wo ye adwuma de den ne ho den. Wonya coronavirus bia na wo mo hu ne say eyentro a ye nkrofo bi ahyeda abopo say wo mo de to ne so. Na the last sentence I will make here no na me hu ne say very interesting. No say the desires of her detractors will never succeed. Not just say easy no sabe wo mo a wo mo pene bone no emba embeto no da. This is from Sylvia Ano, who is the director of public affairs for the Electoral Commission. It is very interesting. Oshe enkrata wo mo de aba. Yes, assembly Ghana sometimes we need to forget about media me traffic, media me PC. Assembly nya ne kra menka. There is a way as a blogger to go about things. I have read hardtruthgh.com no. Now we read the howtruthgh.com article a woman de buy. They were stating categorically say easy no wenya. Let me read omo article no entry na hwe how true GH in some womo kan because as a blogger and as a news outlet, the news bar, there is a way to put it. Sana Nkrofo who say, oh, wow, reporter crano, and yatina wati. I say high profiles in Ghana. This is from hardtruthgh.com. I say high profiles in Ghana for the past weeks are the ones testing positive for the pandemic coronavirus, with two of them passing away and the remaining in self-isolation. I said the case of the EC chairman is yet to be communicated to the general public by the information minister, Kojo Oppong Nkrumah. Many are they, but I say many are they that have been asking of the future of Ghana's upcoming general election if truly Jean Mensa is COVID-19 positive. Now, we say the case of EC chairperson is yet to be communicated to the general public by the information minister. Not just we'll see to say easy no because we know proud to that we say high profile people in the case of EC chairperson, not just the EC chairperson, the case of the high profile people are war cancel Bomunya Yawia no. So this is what the EC is speaking against. Now, me say asem way won two sides. Two sides. One, the websites are airtro asem way. Yenya na saa yawia die so obi ne yawia yemfa nto ne so especially yawia ne yawia bi asebe owuo enene no enam ana yawia no any stigmatization enenam. Now the second side of the whole matter and say it is quite interesting. It is very very interesting say easy for no ebetron krata aba be condemn say wo munya yawia utie the donation na utumi hu ne say wo mo po yawia ne kra. Internal Mitchell said the last statement, no, it was very interesting, and this is the point I'm building. I say the desires of hair detractors will never succeed. Not just say, easy no more penny ye no. Bonena wo mo pe e wo easy ne so no emba so nti easy ni nim. Say coronavirus ya we ne de yare bone. Just will be won pe wo ye, wo no be wo hisa yare no e wo so. But the EC is letting us go out to register, and due to that a lot of people will get infected from the coronavirus. Intia no so easy no enye bone na wo ye Ghana fo ana because we be ka say wo wenya yare no o si we movie Nigeria movie an ko beka to fia kwa na tese wo de wo mpe na so wa man krofo akwa ko gina abonte se wo mo de wo monye registration me bo a na wo mo maka do so mo pe yare no. Whilst a lot of doctors and international people are telling you to stop, why am I just saying munjai? Because you have the right to send people out and for people to get infected. But what you better say when your infection is to fiapa. No why? What was any assembly nate? Sa enete very interesting. But I've said this, bobinya yaria yemfa ntone so se winya. But just the other side of the story, I want you guys to look. You see, the posture of these people shows you say they even detest it. The posture of people in power, it shows you say they detest the sickness. And if you detest the sickness, why in God's name will you allow people? Is it because they are not your relatives? Or is it because it is not you into your dear who say yes and found their experts can be and who they won't fee registration and obey? And therefore, the American and I mean someone here there. I don't know whether you guys are not understanding my point. The EC the statement from the Electoral Commission shows. Mami read the brofo back on ewo wenimu. What's it? Disregard the lies. Say an intro there a intro. Disregard the lies and fabrications and treat the story with the contempt it deserves. The desires of her detractors will never succeed. Well, see, it is a figment of the artist's warped imagination. I understand that perfectly. But once ye ka say EC boss enya yareɛ na waba abonten abeka se wonya yareɛ no what tre say yareɛ ne de omo a wo mo pɛ ne bɔne na ompɛ so omo de yareɛ ne to ne so no yesre no ma enkonko yese wono so pegana for bɔne because she's putting a lot of people in harm's way. She is putting a lot of people in harm's way. Mo try mo comment box ni mo me da ase.